How to apply for Uber Freight. So first up, you will want to go to this link, which I will put in the description. And once you do that, you provide your business information, insurance, and payment information. After you agree to Uber Freight's contract and your account is approved, you can add your drivers. Any carrier can download the Uber Freight app for free in the App Store or Google Play. The app can only be used to book loads by drivers authorized to book their own loads on behalf of the carrier. To create an account, you'll need a DOT or MC number, no condition or unsatisfactory safety rating, payment information, proof of insurance, and the correct equipment type. So once you visit the Uber Freight website, look up carrier sign up or join our network option, as you can see. And once you do that, you will need to create an account by entering your phone number and verifying it through a code sent by SMS. Once you've done that, enter your email address, create a password, and provide your full name. Once that is done, choose the user type that best describes your role within the company. For example, owner, operator, or fleet manager. Equipment and DOT. Specify the type of equipment you use and enter your US DOT number. Carefully review the Uber Freight carrier contract, including payment terms and insurance requirements, and agree to the contract. After you agree to it, you will receive a confirmation email and a copy of the contract. And once that is done, you can download the Uber Freight app to manage your loads and access other features. And that is how you apply for Uber Freight.